Welcome back to the channel. I started a new project. This time, it's the Goodsmile Racing BMW Z4. This is a 2014 round 2 car. I'll show you a picture. For the past week, I've been doing decals on this BMW Z4. As you can tell, there's a lot of decals, and I'm only about 60% done. A lot of them overlap each other, so you have to be careful, follow the instructions, and pay attention to what goes on first. The instructions aren't really clear most times of what needs to go on first, but like I said, I've been working at this for almost a week now, a couple hours a day, and what I did was I started with the regular body, got rid of this. There's a piece glued in here, a piece here glued in, a piece here, in here, and then in here as well, and filled all the seams so that when I applied the decal that there wouldn't be any seam. But like I said, I'm about 60% done. I still have these decals as well as these to apply for this whole other side of the car and the back. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I made a few little blunders. Decals cracked on me a little bit. Sometimes when something has to go from here to here to here at the same time, it just doesn't want to bend the way you'd think it would, and decal solvent kind of loosens them up and makes them kind of brittle. So it's kind of tough, but I'm working with it. You know, when you get a little OCD and you purchase a kit and then you find out that there's other in the series, well, that happened to me. A friend of mine, John, has built all of these cars, and I really admire his work, and so I thought I would try and do the same. So I went out and I bought this one as well. This is the 2012, same car, 2012 livery, and it has a full set of decals as well, just as many as the one I'm working on. And I bought the 2013 car, which is similar to the one I just showed you. This is the decal sheet for that one. And if that's not enough, they didn't just make BMWs. They also made a Porsche. And you guessed it, a whole nother big sheet of decals. And if that's not enough, then they went to Mercedes. This is the 2015 Mercedes SLS. And another big sheet of decals. Tamiya Mercedes AMG, which I know is a good kit. Hobby Design did a decal sheet. This one's going to be pretty challenging too. And lastly is another Mercedes. Don't be fooled. There's actually 2 cars worth here. One to paint the body red and do the white decals, and one to paint it white and do red decals. My friend John gave this one to me because he built the paint it white with red decals, and he used some of these, but since he wasn't going to use the other side, he gave it to me. Thanks, John. All of these kits that I've shown you today are ridiculously priced on eBay. $100, $200, $300, ridiculous. I was able to get them all right around retail price, $50 each. So I've got quite an investment in these kits, and if you want to do the same, then you're going to even have a bigger investment in them. But I hope that they re-release them someday, because I would like to build all of them. There's 2, maybe 3 cars that I don't have. They're similar liveries, but unfortunately the prices are pretty high. And next time I go to Japan, I'll look in the Mandarake store, and that's where they sell used kits, and maybe I'll get lucky. But I will post updates of what I'm working on with this Goodsmile car as I make more progress. I'll do updated videos. But literally all I've done is paint the body and put decals on it, and I got almost a week into it. So the rest of it, I think the rest of it will go pretty fast once I get the body done. But I'm really kind of taking my time on this one. I don't want to make any mistakes. It's a pretty special car. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed it, go ahead and subscribe, and look forward to the next videos. I'll talk to you later. Bye.